Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. What are foods high in carbohydrates? Over the years, carbohydrates have gotten a bad reputation. People often associate them with weight gain, type 2 diabetes, and a variety of other health conditions. Yes, it's true that processed foods high in sugar and refined grains typically lack important vitamins and minerals. However, many nutrient-dense, fiber-rich foods can actually be very good for you. While low-carb diets can be beneficial for some people, there's no reason to avoid high-carb foods altogether. Here are 7 high-carb foods that are incredibly healthy. Number 1. Oranges. Oranges are a popular type of citrus fruit. They're mainly composed of water, and made up of about 15.5 grams of carbs per 100 gram serving. Oranges are also a good source of fiber. Oranges are especially rich in vitamin C, potassium, and some B vitamins. In addition, they contain citric acid, as well as several potent plant compounds and antioxidants. Eating oranges may improve heart health and help prevent kidney stones. Oranges are a good source of fiber. They also contain high amounts of vitamin C and other healthy plant compounds. Eating oranges may benefit heart health and increase iron absorption to help prevent anemia. Number 2. Beets. Beets are a purple root vegetable that people sometimes refer to as beetroots. While they aren't considered high in carbs overall, they do have a lot for a non-starchy vegetable. They're also packed with vitamins and minerals, along with powerful antioxidants and plant compounds. Beets are also high in inorganic nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide in your body. Nitric oxide lowers blood pressure and may decrease the risk of several diseases. Beets are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds. They also contain high amounts of inorganic nitrates, which can improve heart health and boost physical performance. Number 3. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a delicious, nutritious tuber or root vegetable. 1/2 cup of mashed, cooked sweet potatoes with their skin on contains about 20.7 grams of carbs, which consists of starch, sugar, and fiber. Sweet potatoes are also a rich source of vitamin A, vitamin C, and potassium. What's more, they're packed with antioxidants, which are compounds that help neutralize harmful free radicals in your cells to protect you against chronic disease. Sweet potatoes are an excellent source of vitamin A, along with several other vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Number 4. Bananas. Bananas are a popular fruit people love to use in many different recipes. One large banana contains about 31 grams of carbs, either in the form of starches or sugars. Bananas are also high in potassium and vitamins B6 and C, and they contain several beneficial plant compounds. Thanks to their high content of potassium, bananas may help lower blood pressure and improve heart health. Bananas are high in potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in regulating blood pressure. Less ripe bananas also contain resistant starch and pectin, both of which can improve digestive health. Number 5. Buckwheat. Like quinoa, buckwheat is considered a pseudo-cereal. Despite its name, buckwheat is not related to wheat and does not contain gluten. Raw buckwheat contains 75 grams of carbs, while cooked buckwheat groats contain about 19.9 grams of carbs per 100 gram serving. Buckwheat is very nutritious, containing both protein and fiber. It also has more minerals and antioxidants than many other grains. Buckwheat is highly nutritious and contains more antioxidants and minerals than many grains. Buckwheat isn't related to wheat and doesn't contain gluten. Eating it may benefit your heart health and blood sugar regulation. Number 6. Oats. Oats are an incredibly healthy whole grain, and a great source of many vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Raw oats contain 70% carbs. A 1-cup serving contains 54 grams of carbs, including 8 grams of fiber. They are particularly high in a specific type of fiber called oat beta-glucan. Oats are also a relatively good source of protein, and contain more protein than most grains. Oats contain many beneficial nutrients, including fiber and protein. Studies have also shown that eating oats lowers blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Number 7. Quinoa. Quinoa is a nutritious seed that has become incredibly popular among health-conscious consumers. It's classified as a pseudo-cereal, which is a seed that's prepared and eaten like a grain. Cooked quinoa contains 70% carbs, making it a high-carb food. However, it's also a good source of protein and fiber. Quinoa is rich in many minerals and plant compounds, and has been linked to a variety of health benefits, including improved blood sugar management and heart health. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.